Good morning from Chicago. Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir from Friday, July 12th. Well, no surprise, new all-time highs, on a closing basis anyways, in the stock markets yesterday. E-mini S&P was up 21.5 at 1670. 1680 sits above as the all-time high in one session. Dow futures up 150, 15,393, and the NASDAQ added 59 points at 3,055. So we had between a 1.3 and 1.5% gains across the board. Very strong day in equities again yesterday. We saw a key reversal here possibly on a weekly basis in the dollar index. The dollar index is down 132 yesterday, 82.92. So we made new highs, and now it looks like we're going to be lower on the week. We'll see what happens here tomorrow. Euro currency added 215, 131.01 after holding above the 128 level, and then 130. The high yesterday was 132.12 on the session. The bond market also continued to add gains here. 134.07 up 111. So the bond bloodbath may be coming to an end here. 134.26 was the high yesterday. Crude oil backed off after achieving the target of 106 that was based on the technical pattern from 99 down to 92 back up to 99. Actually did make a high above that at 107.45. Ended up finishing the day down 160 at 104.91. And gold was a big winner again yesterday, up $33, $12.80. The high yesterday was $12.97 after breaking out of that bottoming sideways pattern between $11.80 and $12.67. So after a record day in a lot of markets yesterday, where do things stand on this Friday morning to end what has been a very exciting trading week? Well, right now we're unchanged. We've got JP Morgan and Wells Fargo numbers for earnings coming out here this morning. Really hasn't had much impact on the market. It should set the tone for the financials, which have led stocks higher in the last couple of years. Right now the S&P is unchanged, 1670. The Dow futures are unchanged as well, 15,393. 15,448 was the May high in the intraday session that we'll want to keep an eye on and look for that to take out. Looking at the dollar index as we stand right now, 83.16 up 25. The euro currency as we stand is down 66 at 130.35. And I neglected the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's up 3 points at 3,058 as we stand right now in the tech index. Looking at bonds 105.23, adding a few ticks as well, up 18 points, half a point. The yield on the 30-year Treasury has dropped back down to 3.6%. And crude oil is also steady at 104.30, down a few dimes here as we stand right now. And gold has come back to the retracement area, is retraced back to the breakout area rather. We're at 1269, down 11. 1267 was the previous high that once it broke above yesterday, it really accelerated gains. So if we look at the technical bottom here in gold, it had a low of 1180. When it broke out above 1267, we saw a rally. Technically, that sets up for a technical target at 1347 in gold, and we can get some follow through on the upside, the length of that channel. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the stock market open, stocks are unchanged this morning after the big surge yesterday and new all-time closing highs. We're at 1670 in the S&P futures, 1680 is the all-time high there. The Dow futures, 15,393, 15,448 all-time high there as we stand right now. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.